7 ways to naturally increase your sperm count. Infertility in men is quite a common issue, although assumed by many to be extremely rare and simply random. It is present in a large amount of men worldwide, yet utilizing certain methods can be beneficial to help with a low sperm count. In this video, we will talk about a few natural methods that can help you or someone you know with infertility problems. So keep watching this video to know more. Studies have shown that around 1 in 6 couples are affected, with 1 in every 3 cases caused due to fertility issues in the male partner. Sometimes it is alright to accept that infertility in some people cannot really be treated, although most people can definitely take concrete steps towards improving their diets, taking natural supplements, and making other general lifestyle changes in order to boost motility in their bodies. Number 1. Exercise regularly. Generally, being fit and exercising with a moderate routine can go a long way in ensuring your sperm count gets the boost it needs. Having a moderate exercise pattern can especially help, as too intense of a routine or workout session can mess with your pre-existing testosterone levels and even go so far as reducing it. Thus, the key would be to stay fit with regular exercise rather than working out on a constant basis, compounded by an intense session. Even if you don't exercise often but want to increase your fertility, you can simply be more physically active, which also bodes well for your motility. Number 2. Quit stressing. Due to the fact that a low sperm count is one of the most common causes of male infertility, being stressed is not going to help your case at all. Although it is harder than it sounds, especially when you are trying to have a baby, studies have shown that males who experience 2 stressful situations before starting infertility treatment were more likely to have a lower sperm count and motility. Motility is simply how fast your sperm can reach the egg. Ideally, you would need around 50% of your sperm to be moving. Number 3. Eat more greens. Although research is not completely conclusive about the benefits of eating clean as it pertains to one's fertility, there do exist sufficient findings to back up the fact that maintaining a balanced, healthy diet is good for male fertility. Try to stick to leaner meats like chicken while also substituting plenty of fresh fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and whole grains. Mediterranean cuisine fits almost perfectly into this rubric as the cuisine contains all the aforementioned necessary food groups to ensure a high fertility rate. Number 4. Stop smoking. Aside from the fact that quitting smoking is a generally good decision you can take for your body, smoking is also the worst enemy of motility. Smoking is known to affect female fertility as well. We know this due to the fact that research has shown that when women smoke, they have lower successful IVF rates and possibly increased risk of pregnancy loss. Smoking can have a massive effect on testosterone levels in men as it leads to their reduction. Compounded with other health risks, it is best to put down that cigarette. Number 5. Avoid alcohol. Taking a leaf out of the bad habits playbook, alcohol has been proved to decrease fertility. Cutting back or stopping consumption altogether can be a good idea if you are trying to conceive. Moderate alcohol consumption is okay, although drinking daily should be definitely avoided. A study showed that higher intakes of alcohol were associated with lower sperm counts, fewer normally shaped sperm, and worse sperm motility. Although some evidence is slightly conflicting, it is generally understood that men who consume alcohol more often, even daily, have a reduced sperm count compared to men who do not. Number 6. Ashwagandha. An interesting addition to this list. The ancient Indian nightshade, ashwagandha or Indian ginseng, has long played a role in traditional medicines, being a mainstay for individuals as something to consume while suffering from conditions related to sexual dysfunction. Found quite commonly online as well as in pharmacies, ashwagandha is relatively easy to source. Studies have also found that men who consume some amounts of it have a 167% increase in their chances to conceive compared to men who do not. Number 7. Eliminating soy. Limiting your consumption of soy and estrogen-rich foods such as soy byproducts and canned goods greatly assists in keeping sperm count and motility levels optimum. Foods that contain estrogen are known to reduce testosterone bonding and sperm production. They are extensively present in soy products that contain plant estrogen. Bisphenol A is a compound that binds itself to estrogen receptors in the body and can also affect the male fertility after exposure. So there you have it, our list of 7 ways you can naturally improve your fertility. All things considered, most research supports the fact that lifestyle changes, natural remedies, and dietary adjustments can have a marked effect on an individual's sperm count, motility, and general fertility if followed regularly at the time of ovulation, some to be followed for a long time after. General consensus does agree on the fact that maintaining a healthy, balanced diet with a good substitution of green vegetables and fruits can go a long way in ensuring increased levels of fertility. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you're new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos. And subscribe to our channel.